Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. Let's see, it's Tuesday, the 26th of July. These are the charts of the day. A mixed day in Wall Street. It wasn't very promising, and it was quite negative, but the technicals weren't that bad. Negative price-wise, a lot of stocks we follow, though, did well. Here's a dozen of them that look pretty good. AMLX up today, $1.56 or 7.3%, nearly a million traded. But you can see how strong the technicals have been. The stock's been in a 3-week coil. If we get up above the 23, 40, 45 range, I'd be looking for 27 and 32. SRT yesterday, chart of the day, added it today, jumped another 4%. Not a lot, but it did back off the spike high we recently had at 364 by tagging 361. Mini double top, we get through that. I'm looking at around to 4.25 at 5. CALX, Calyx, strong surge. 606 or 13.7%, traded almost 2 million. Good volume for that stock. You can see how the base has been completed. The breakouts occurred. The target now 58.9. Chimerix, inverse head and shoulders being completed with a pop to the neckline and the 50-day moving average, jumping from 189 to 264, finishing 248, up 44 cents or 22%. Solid 37.5 million shares, biggest I've ever seen on a breakout day, indicating to me we're going to at least get halfway into the gap to about 3.25 and maybe get up towards 390 to 4. CBLG, Covenant Logistic, coming out of an inverse head and shoulders and pullback. Not sure how I missed this one back then, but I wanted to show it to you because it's had a full run from 17 to 34.5, doubling in about the last 90 days, up against key resistance long term. You can see that if it gets through here, this could be big, and the projections might be somewhere around here. Let's just say I think we're looking at a 40 high stock in the high 40s eventually. GE, I'm coming out of a massive inverse head and shoulders. Now it's got a long way to go to break out of this pattern. But the near-term pattern shows 5 waves down and a completed reversal with a engulfing reversal day and a break through the moving averages and lateral price resistance. Next target, 80 and 87 for GE. IFRX popped out of an inverse head and shoulders, spiking 140 to 214, finishing under $2 at 194, but it was up 55 cents at 40%. Mine was heavy at 8.7 million, maybe a breakout. I would look for a move to about 2 3/4 and 3 3/4. LABU, despite the market downturn, managed to finish with a gain of 31 cents or almost 4%, while the other bullish ETF failed. This one had a good day. That's a great sign for me for relative strength wise. Now looking for a retest of the 10.25 range. We get through that. 12 and 14.5 are targets. Big day for PGY. Let me show it to you on an hourly chart. You'll see that in the last week, it's gone from 2 and change to 21 and change. So almost about a 10-fold increase. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave advance, and now the pullback. Now it can still do upside, but because of 5 waves up, I'd be really careful up here, folks. I'm looking at the 1-minute intraday chart. You'll see how it's been consolidating quietly here. It might see 25.6, but I would also keep a tight stop under 15.5, 16. Redbox. Big reversal yesterday, a little follow through today. I like the possibilities of the stock making a run at 9 and then 12. Sega exploded on big volume, 43 million shares, 14, 11, 1885, trading after hours at 1823 up 254, about 16%. Don't think it's done yet. As a matter of fact, I think today was a breakout. We might extend to the low 20s. We'll see. And finally, TMDX. I liked it so much, and I like this long-term pattern. Breaking through multiple tops through here today. I put a swing on it with a target high 30s and mid 40s. And that's it for the charts of the day video tonight. Guys, have a great evening. Let's make some money tomorrow. I'll talk to you then. Good night.